Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. This is an old watering can, not real old, but it's got some rust on it and got a few dents and dangs on it, but I kind of like the thing, so I'm going to fix it. What I'm going to do, I'm going to clean it first, and I'll take and get this back on here as it should be, and then we're going to paint it. I'm thinking about painting this little cap yellow, and then painting this part yellow, and then painting the rest of it green, and maybe this handle yellow. Tell me what y'all think about that in the comment section, and how y'all want the colors. Now, this isn't going toward the cat projects. This is just something I'm doing, and used to have some John Deere stickers. I'm gonna have to look, see if I can find those. But let me know in the comment section how we need to do this coloring on this. It's gonna be John Deere colors, but I just need to know what we're going to do. I just call this a spout, and the well, that would be the what, diffuser for the water. Diffuser, spout, main can, the top, and the handle. Tell me how we're going to paint it, and we'll see how it turns out. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.